So I'm right off of Pearl Street, about a block away from Pearl Street Mall. I know that sounds confusing. When you're in Boulder, Colorado, ask anybody. They'll tell you how to get here. Anyhow, you'll love this place. Tons of shops, all kinds of restaurants. Mexican, Italian, German, Nepalese, you name it. But I'm here to check out one joint in particular. It's got super yummy street food. The one and only Zo Mama.
Hot steak already.
This is traditional. I mean, this is authentic.
This is it.
It's straight out of Mama's cookbook.
Mama is a very special person.
She's the life of the place. She's the heart of the food.
And her love of cooking led Anna Zo to come out of her retirement and join her son Edwin in this personal adventure. This is a place that's making what Mom wants to make, how Mom wants to make it.
Yes.
And where's your family originally from?
My mom's from Taiwan. I was born in Taiwan, but my father's from northern China.
How do we explain the food?
Homestyle Taiwanese and Chinese street and homestyle.
What are we gonna make today?
My mom's homemade steamy bun.
I've had steamy buns from all over the nation. These are one of the best. It's full of meat, very pronounced flavor.
Let's start.
Yeah,
okay.
please.
Yeast, the water, the salt, sugar, the flour,
Organic high gluten,
Yeah.
okay?
oil,
And do you have to drag your mom out of here?
Yeah. She works way too much.
So we'll let that rest
30 to 40.
30 to 40 minutes,
Yeah.
and in the meantime, we'll make the filling?
Yeah.
So everything is done with induction?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because it's more comfortable for my mom. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it would be a really hot kitchen. I didn't want that for her.
On all the Super Sun stuff, okay? When Mom's watching, you know what I'm gonna have to go through?
The oil,
Okay.
onion,
The green onions.
The whites are the green onion.
Yeah.
I like the whites of the green onions.
ground pork, cooking wine, salt, the sugar, 5 spicy powder,
5 spicy powder.
yeah,
And ginger, okay?
sweet paste,
Sweet bean paste.
Yeah.
And celery. Right at the end for a little crunch. Okay,
Yeah.
I like this. You could serve that in anything. Hurry up and make these before I eat all the filling.
okay.
Just gonna be portioning them.
She didn't have to measure it twice. This is where the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. Rolling it, turning it, twisting it.
I was thinking of it as a really accomplished DJ.
It's, yeah, wicked. I mean, she makes that look like child's play. This is gonna go right into looking like a soup dumpling.
Bigger.
Ah, look at those. They're gorgeous. How long will this steam?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
What's up with this one?
One more?
I'm kidding. One's good. What are the different sauces I have here?
This is a crushed chili, and then this is ginger onion, and this is one of my favorites, the Sichuan peppercorn.
You okay?
The bun's ridiculous. Ridiculous. This is light and fluffy and tender. Then this one is the,
Chili paste.
like sambal?
Yeah.
Kryptonite,
Oh,
right there. I
yes.
am weak in its power.
One more? Okay, sure.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, delicious. Well done.
Thank you.
It's fluffy and flavorful.
Pork on the inside is fantastic. A little bit of spice.
This all right? Oh, thank you.
It's a really great place to stop, especially after a long hike here in Boulder, which is what we all love to do here.